Gentlemen, what if the olive oil in your kitchen, yes, that same bottle you cook with, could become a real prostate relief tonic when you mix it into one simple ingredient? No prescription, no scary side effects, just a 60-second bedtime mix that can help calm prostate swelling, ease that pelvic pressure, and cut down those 2 a.m. bathroom trips. I'm Dr. Katherine Rotker, a urologist with over 20 years of experience working with men who thought frequent urination and prostate pressure were just part of getting older. Today, I'll show you exactly what to mix with olive oil, why it targets prostate swelling, how much to use, and the best time to take it for the strongest overnight relief. And stay until the end, because timing this correctly is the key to unlocking deep sleep and lasting comfort. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why this works. It all comes down to two main issues that happen together. First, there's the natural shift in your key hormones, especially testosterone. Testosterone isn't just about sex drive or muscle. In your prime, helps maintain everything from mood to muscle mass to a healthy prostate size. But after 50, it naturally declines about 1% per year, accelerated by stress, poor sleep, and modern diets. As testosterone gets lower, it changes the whole hormonal balance. This often lets two other hormones, DHT and estrogen, become more prominent. These hormones can directly signal your prostate tissue to grow. Now, add in the second big issue, chronic inflammation. That's a low-grade simmering irritation in your body from years of stress and processed foods, and you have a perfect storm for an enlarged prostate, what doctors call BPH. This is a weak urine flow, the feeling of never fully emptying and waking up 2, 3, 4 times a night. It's exhaustion from broken sleep, anxiety about long car trips, and a quiet frustration that your body is holding you back. You're absolutely not alone. This is the daily reality for millions of men, but it doesn't have to be yours forever. Research shows an enlarged prostate isn't always non-responsive. By naturally supporting hormone balance and cooling down that internal inflammation, we can slow, stop, and even in some cases, even help reverse this troublesome growth. And the foundation of this natural strategy starts with one legendary staple, extra virgin olive oil. We start with the base, extra virgin olive oil. This is critical. Look for a bottle that says extra virgin and cold pressed. It should have a rich, golden green color and a distinct, almost peppery taste. The clear, cheap stuff on the shelf has lost the medicinal compounds we need. This oil works in 3 key ways for your prostate. First, it's packed with monounsaturated fats, the good fats. Your body uses these specific fats as the essential raw materials to produce hormones, including testosterone. By providing these clean fats, you're giving your body the right building blocks it needs to make hormones efficiently, supporting a better environment for your prostate. Second, and this is crucial, real olive oil is one of the best natural anti-inflammatories you can find. It contains powerful substances called polyphenols. Remember, an enlarged prostate is, at its core, an inflamed prostate. These polyphenols go to work directly to calm that inflammation, reducing the swelling and irritation that causes so much discomfort and urinary trouble. Third, research tells us that men who use olive oil regularly tend to have healthier levels of an important messenger hormone called LH. LH is the spark plug that tells your testes to produce testosterone. Olive oil helps keep that spark strong, which supports your body's natural hormone production and helps counter the shifts that encourage prostate growth. For thousands of years, people around the Mediterranean have used it for strength and longevity. Now we know why, but olive oil alone is just the start. To truly supercharge its prostate healing power, we combine it with a few key ingredients. The first ingredient is garlic. Yes, that strong-smelling bulb in your kitchen isn't just for flavor. It's a powerful, natural medicine for men's health. Its real power comes out when you crush or chop a fresh clove. That action releases a unique compound called allicin, and that's where the magic happens. Allicin is brilliant at lowering cortisol. You've probably heard of cortisol as your stress hormone. Cortisol and testosterone work in a very delicate balance. When you have constant stress, poor sleep, or just feel overwhelmed, your cortisol levels rise. This high cortisol suppresses your testosterone production and it fuels inflammation. By helping to moderate cortisol, garlic helps rebalance your hormonal seesaw, removing a key driver of prostate problems. Garlic also helps relax and open up blood vessels. Better blood flow to the pelvic region means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to the prostate for healing and more efficient removal of waste products. This directly supports healthier urinary function. Combined with olive oil, you now have a base that reduces prostate inflammation and a catalyst that lowers stress and improves delivery. Remember, a fresh clove and let it sit for 10 minutes before mixing to allow the allicin to fully form. Then stir it into your tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. This is your internal shield and cleanser, thanks to its dense vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C helps protect prostate cells from daily wear and tear, the kind that worsens inflammation. It also helps support your body's collagen, which keeps your tissues, including blood vessels, strong and flexible. Healthy, flexible blood vessels are essential for good circulation everywhere, including your pelvic region. It also helps keep your blood sugar levels steady, preventing spikes that create more inflammation. Crucially, vitamin C supports nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is your body's master vasodilator. It relaxes and widens your blood vessels, improving blood flow not just for your heart, but for all your pelvic organs. When mixed with the olive oil, that fats help your body absorb lemon's beneficial compounds more effectively. Together, they work to cleanse, protect, and improve flexibility where you need it most. Our third ingredient is ginger, respected for centuries as a vitality tonic. Modern science confirms it's a powerhouse anti-inflammatory, thanks to compounds like gingerols. Ginger calms the precise types of irritation that lead to prostate tissue swelling and discomfort. It's like sending a repair crew directly to the site of irritation. Research, including studies on men, shows ginger can help support healthy testosterone levels. It also promotes better blood flow to your pelvic region. This dual action, cooling inflammation while supporting healthy hormonal levels, makes it a cornerstone for prostate comfort. Add half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root or high-quality powder to your mixture. It brings a warm, spicy flavor that complements the other flavors. The final piece is turmeric, specifically its compound curcumin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. But there's a critical catch. On its own, your body absorbs very little. You could consume a lot and get very little benefit. This is why we always pair it with just a dash of black pepper. Black pepper contains a substance called piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 0%. Without that black pepper, you're missing out on almost all of turmeric's power. With it, you unlock its full potential to soothe deep, chronic inflammation. For your prostate, fully absorbed curcumin helps manage growth factors and hormones in the prostate, providing a powerful, direct, calming effect on the gland itself. Mixed into our olive oil base, the fats further carry the curcumin into your system even more effectively. Now that you know why each ingredient belongs in this mix, let's put it all together into your simple, nightly recipe. It's easier than you think. After you've made it a few times, it becomes part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth at night. First, start with 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil in a small bowl or cup. This is your base. It carries the nutrients from other ingredients and helps your body absorb them properly. Next, take 1 fresh garlic clove, crush or mince it finely, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This short wait supercharges allicin, the compound that gives garlic most of its health benefits. After the 10 minutes, stir the garlic into the olive oil. Then, add about 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to the garlic olive oil mix. Stir well. The lemon juice not only adds vitamin C and flavor, but it also helps everything blend together. After that, add a half teaspoon of ginger. You can use freshly grated ginger root, about a half-inch piece grated, or a half teaspoon of organic ginger powder. Stir it well until evenly distributed, giving the mixture a warm, golden hue and spicy aroma. Now add a small pinch of turmeric, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and a tiny pinch of black pepper. Stir the mixture thoroughly. The oil will turn a richer golden color thanks to the turmeric. That's a good sign the mixture is coming together properly. Make sure the pepper is well mixed so it does a good job of boosting absorption. You have a couple of easy ways to take it. You can simply swallow the mixture straight from the bowl or glass as a quick tonic shot. The taste is punchy, garlicky, spicy, and lemony all at once, but many men don't mind it, considering the benefits. If the taste is too strong, you can chase it with a sip of water or a bite of food. If drinking it alone isn't for you, turn it into a health-boosting dressing. Drizzle it over your evening salad, stir it into cooked vegetables, or use it as a dip for a piece of whole grain bread. This way, you take it with your meal. Just be sure not to cook it at high heat. Heat can damage the active compounds, especially the vitamin C in lemon and the allicin in garlic. Having it with food helps your body absorb all the beneficial compounds, and it makes this healthy habit easy to stick with. Let's discuss timing, because when you take this mixture, it's just as important as what's in it. I recommend taking it in the evening, ideally with your dinner, or shortly after, making it a relaxing part of your nighttime routine. Here's why. Nighttime is your body's prime time for healing and hormone production. While you sleep, your body is hard at work repairing cells, reducing inflammation, and yes, producing important hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. In fact, testosterone levels tend to peak in the early morning hours during deep sleep. By giving your body this mix before bed, you're fueling this nightly renewal cycle specifically for prostate and hormonal healing. This evening timing also directly addresses those frustrating nighttime symptoms. The ingredients work overnight to soothe and calm your prostate, potentially reducing the inflammation and irritation that cause you to wake up needing to go. The goal is uninterrupted sleep, which itself then lowers cortisol and further supports healing, a positive cycle that reinforces itself. Now, I want to set clear expectations. This is a gentle, nurturing approach, not an instant fix. With consistent nightly use, in 1 to 2 weeks, you may find you sleep a bit longer before that first wake up, or you feel a little less urgency. Around the 3 or 4 week mark, many men report a measurable reduction in nighttime trips, a stronger stream, less of that constant pelvic pressure, and even improvements in sexual function. You might also find your energy levels creeping back up. The most solid, lasting improvements usually establish themselves after about 6 to 8 weeks of steady use. Your body needs this time to utilize the nutrients and calm the underlying inflammation. Consistency is what makes this work. I often suggest turning it into a simple, rightly ritual. Finish dinner, take your olive oil mixture, then do something relaxing. A short walk, a few minutes of deep breathing, or some quiet reading before bed. Consistency is what makes this work. Try to make this a nightly ritual. It could be as simple as finish dinner, take your olive oil mixture, and then maybe enjoy a relaxing activity, like a short walk or reading, before bed as it starts working internally. If you do miss a night here or there, it's not the end of the world. But the more consistent you are, the better your results will be, and the faster you'll notice changes. You can make this entire approach even more effective with a few supportive daily habits. Think of these as ways to amplify the benefits of your nightly tonic. Boost your zinc intake. Your prostate contains one of the highest concentration of zinc in your body, and for good reason. Zinc helps manage hormones and protect prostate cells from damage. Add a small handful of pumpkin seeds to your day. Oysters, nuts, beans, and lean meats are also excellent sources. Next, get enough magnesium. Magnesium helps lower cortisol, that stress hormone we talked about, and relax muscles, including those in your pelvic floor and around the prostate. It also promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Find it in foods like spinach, almonds, and cashews, and even a square or two of dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, low sugar. You can also consider taking magnesium supplement or using magnesium oil on your skin at night to promote relaxation. Also, pay a little attention to your fluids. It's important to drink plenty of water during the day to help your body flush out waste. Dehydration can concentrate your urine and irritate your bladder and prostate, worsening that urgency and frequency. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day. However, try to limit your liquids about 2 hours before you go to bed, and be mindful of alcohol, which can irritate both your bladder and prostate, and it disrupts sleep. Moderating here can make a significant difference in how often you need to get up at night. In addition to these, it never hurts to keep up with regular physical activity, even a daily walk, to boost blood flow and practice some form of stress reduction like deep breathing, meditation, or hobbies that relax you. These simple habits work hand in hand with your olive oil mixture, creating the best possible environment for your prostate to heal and for you to find lasting relief. This approach isn't a mysterious trick, it's intelligent nutrition. You're giving your body the specific tools it needs to rebalance hormones, cool inflammation, and support its own healing process. So here's my invitation to you. Consider this a 30-day prostate reset. Commit to taking this nightly tonic and incorporating those supportive habits for just a month. That's enough time for your body to truly respond. Mark your calendar. Pay close attention to your sleep, the strength of your stream, and your overall comfort. You have nothing to lose but those extra trips to the bathroom. Imagine 30 days from now sleeping through the night, waking up refreshed, and feeling a sense of comfort and control you thought was gone. That possibility is real, and it begins with your decision tonight. This is Dr. Katherine Rotker. I'm here to tell you that your comfort and vitality are worth investing in. I wish you deep sleep, lasting comfort, and renewed strength on this journey. If this made sense to you, I'd appreciate it if you liked this video. Subscribe to the channel for more straightforward, science-backed guidance. And if you know a friend or a brother who's quietly dealing with these same struggles, please share this with him. Together, we can change the narrative that aging means accepting discomfort. It can be the beginning of your most vital chapter.